In this video, I'm going to find the solution of the system of linear equations that we have here. We are having three variables there. So what I'll do is I'll click on the return key, then go to task, then go where it says optimize. So for optimize, I'll click where it says problem based, the recommended one. But before I just click on that, let me just uncheck the auto run so that I will run it when I need to. So we now have this dialog box. So I will enter my variables. Our problem is three variables. So the first one is x, then subscript 1, then go on and create the second variable, x subscript 2, then the last one, the third one, x subscript 3. So I have created my variables x1, x2, and x3. Then we go on to define our problem. Here on Go, our goal is to solve equations because we're just having linear equations there. So I'll click on solve equations and then go on and enter the equations. So I'll click here so that I enter the first equation. Our first equation is 3, then multiplied by x subscript 1, and then plus 4 multiplied by x2, then minus 3 multiplied by x3, and on the right hand side it's equals to 5. So that's the first equation. Then click on plus to add the second one, which is 3 multiplied by x1 minus 2 multiplied by x2 plus 4 multiplied by x3, and then the right hand side there is equals to 7. Then click on plus so that we enter the next equation, which is the last one. So it's 3 multiplied by x1 plus 2 multiplied by x2 minus x3, and the right hand side is equals to 3. So we have entered our three equations there. Where it says specify problem dependent solver options, if we just leave the default ones that are indicated here, it will pick it up automatically the best solver to solve this system of linear equations. So I'm not going to change anything so that it picks automatically the best solver. And then here we click on the results that we want. If we want to see the problem, the solution, and the reason the solver stopped, and then we go on to solve problem. Solve problem, then I go on and run here. So when it is run, I go on and see the solution. We are solving for x1, x2, and x3, and we have our three linear equations just as we enter them. Then it says that the solution here is x1 is equals to minus 7 over 3, x2 is equals to 9, x3 is equals to 8. So we have obtained the solution for the given system of linear equations.